Mga beautiful people, to this video I'm going to the Salvation Army second-hand shop kasi may titingnan ako. So tara, let's go. I'm going to my favorite I'm going to my favorite shop.
You know that Salvation Army used to be down there?
I think so, but I couldn't remember because that time I'm not a fan. I was just going there once in a blue moon. So this is the place. Let's go inside. So that's the place, guys. Hi guys, in my favorite shop. Just in a hurry because there's heaps of people inside. So sumaglit lang ako, guys. Kaya wala akong nabili. Lalabas na din kaagad kasi madaming tao. Iwas tayo sa COVID-19. Yeah. So, wala talaga akong nabili doon sa second-hand shop, mga beautiful people, kasi saglit lang talaga ako doon kasi maraming tao, natakot ako. Umiwas lang ako, hindi naman importante yung bibilhin ko, kaya umalis ako kaagad kasi iwas sa COVID. Beautiful people, after ko nagpunta sa second-hand shop today, mayroon kaming dinner ng mga beautiful friends ko sa Worrigee Club, Nowra. So, I'm very excited kasi first freedom dinner get together namin to after the lockdown. So so see ya. What is on? So today, this afternoon, dinner time. Yes, let's go, Hunter.
Hey, who would have thought this 3 years ago?
So we go this here or this is that? The entrance there. Nothing here, huh?
It's good to go
Over there. With vaccine.
What are we doing?
Hello, beautiful people. Do not for dessert. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Look at the view at the back. Why? We're having golf course.
Cheers, toss. Salute.
Hello guys, dinner with dinner time. We're waiting for our dinner.
Just they're making this place nice, aren't they? Yeah.
Dinner.
It's reasonable.
My washing machine shit itself.
Oh yeah.
I had to wash at Jen's last night 2 loads and I was like feeling headache and I was tired.
Yeah.
And I said, oh my god, when is it?
Yeah, nice to catch up with you. Catch up with you.
Would you like for your cheese or you use your hand?
How you been going? How you going, pretty? Good. Yes. Mommy's coming back here.
You need to.
I'm Jen. That's more kitchen.
1 hour later.
Freedom get together. Yeah, where are you? Yeah. And it's picture taking time. Picture. Yes, please. Yours is well done, Reinhard.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yours is sorry, die. Medium rare. And you die medium rare. And Ryan not there yet.
It's just like blank.
Not yet, not yet. Da-da-da-da. Dinner time! Yeah, nice restaurant. It's a reasonable price. Yung drumstick nila, it's very yummy and masarap. So, worth it siya. Worth it. Worth it talaga siya. So, sarap balik-balikan. So, that's really good. And yummy. We're having
Jim's only a meat eater.
Jen, you know that you're salad is.
It's all
After,
green.
before, and after.
Oh, before and after. How are you going? Good. Where are we?
We are at somewhere, I don't know.
Now in Worrigee Club.
Yeah.
Yeah?
They're not open the store, right?
Huh?
They're not open.
They're not open? Come in,
Are you working on Thursday?
Hello, ladies. Hi. Going home. Our first freedom get together.
Oh, okay.
First freedom get together, huh? What's that?
First freedom get together.
Wow.
Looking forward to.
The next one. Yeah. Let's go. Where are we going now?
See ya, bye.
Ah, yes. See you next time, huh? Stay safe. Bye. Bye. Oh, don't forget to check out.
Yeah, no, that's why I remind you to
Hmm.
Oh, Rihanna.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, beautiful. See?
Rihanna, I want to do the checkout.
Check out, please. Bye-bye. See you next time. God bless. Good after. Busog. So full. Yeah, happy tummy. And we're going home now. Let's go. They're talking there. So, whoa. Let's go home. After 2 months lockdown, huh? After 2 months lockdown, finally, we can get out for our Happy Freedom Day! And finally, I'm home, beautiful people, from our dinner, from our first freedom get together with beautiful people. And thank you everyone for watching my YouTube channel, and thank you for all beautiful people na nag-subscribe and nanood ng video ko. Please keep watching and subscribing in my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless everyone. Have a good night. Take care. Bye.